I think Kira's going to learn a lot from the Moodwings baby dragon. We live in an apartment, so it's great to have a pet that can interact with her a bit more. Really builds her imagination and helps her play.
Her reaction was very sweet. It teaches kids how to nurture, to take care of animals. It brings out a really caring side.
I love that the Moodwings baby dragon teaches him to look after something because it's a very important skill.
As mums, we want to see our kids grow up to be beautiful little people and take on that role. Learning how to care for others is really important, so I think that's a big bonus.
He went really quiet and just really started touching everything and playing everything and just trying to work out exactly what it would do.
I like making it for her.
Yeah.
That's a 10 out of 10. I'll give him 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
It's a very hard thing to do to hold focus for more than 5 seconds at a time, so that's definitely a win.